সুপ্রিয় দর্শক, এখন আছি হিলটন হোটেল ওয়াটফোর্ড ইন লন্ডন, নেয়া লন্ডন। আপনারা সবাই জানেন যে ইংল্যান্ডের বৃহত্তর একটা যে কারি ইন্ডাস্ট্রি আছে, যে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিটা বাংলাদেশিরাই আপনার দীর্ঘদিন ধরে 100 বছরের উপরে আপনার এই ইন্ডাস্ট্রিটা তৈরি করেছেন এবং প্রতি বছরই বিভিন্ন অর্গানাইজেশন যেটু আপনার রেকগনাইজেশন হিসাবে রেস্টুরেন্ট এবং শেফ এবং বিজনেসম্যান যারা আছে তাদেরকে একটা রেকগনাইজেশন দেওয়া হয়। এমনি একটা অনুষ্ঠান টুডে ওয়াটফোর্ডে আমরা আসছি, it's called Prestige Curry Award.
Prestige Curry Award. Can I just say, it's great to be here amongst all these lovely people. Obviously, not everyone's going to be a winner, but it's just great to be here. You know, there's a saying you need to be, in it to win it. But everyone's here, and it's looking great. You know.
So what we're going to do, right, for today, which is this evening, we will show you all the way until end. The people come from all over the UK, different races, and the organizer will award it to the best restaurant award. And also we'll talk to the guests who are here today. He used to live in Newcastle.
Yeah.
We had a good time, long time ago. He moved from Newcastle to Cambridge now. So Jackie, as a restaurant owners, what do you think? How important this kind of event to organize as a caterer?
Well, everyone wants recognitions.
Yep.
A business who runs good, a restaurant who is doing well, does great food, great service, they always want to be recognized, and having an event like this is always an inspiring thing for the restaurant owners. They get more inspired and motivated, but at the end of the day, you have to choose the right ones. Basically, you have to be good to compete. You need to prove yourself. Your product has to be good, your service has to be good,
And lots of food as well.
Oh yes, the food has to be good. Most importantly, your food has to be good. Your quality has to be good to get awarded like this. So I think Prestige is doing this, rightly. So all the best to them. Thank you.
As you can see, still guests are coming through. It's going to be a great occasion. Speaking to one of our brothers, just came down the stairs. He's one of the nominated media to do the media coverage. So it'll be great. So follow us through, yeah.
With you. The Prestige Awards is all about.
Yeah, the evening's been fantastic. I'm very thankful to the Prestige Curry Awards and Asif for inviting us here. I'll just give you a bit of background of myself. So I'm the channel controller for Kingfisher Drinks. I've been with the business for 7 years now. I manage a team of 14 people and I have 2 direct reports, one of which is Sandeep Dhawan, who looks after the whole of the south of the country for Kingfisher Drinks. Another one is Love Kush Pandey, who you guys know in the north. We've also got regional development managers. So we've got one of our key areas today, which is the London area. So Saurabh is a regional development manager for Kingfisher Drinks in London. So look, we're happy to be here. We know it's the second year. I've been very happy with the event. I can see the event growing. And look, we're here to grow with the event as well. So.
Nice to see you in Prestige Curry Award. What do you think? What is your opinion about this curry industry, curry award? There's so many curry awards happening around the country, especially this time of the years. And obviously, आपने विभिन्न অনুষ্ঠানে যায় না, and as a businessman, you are involved in Bangladeshi community long time. আমি যে জিনিসটা জানতে চাইবো যে কতটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট আমাদের ইন্ডাস্ট্রি এবং আমাদের এই কমিউনিটির জন্য এরকম একটা অনুষ্ঠান।
Firstly, thank you so much for inviting me to say a few words. My name is Councillor Salim Chowdhury. I'm the Mayor of Harrow. I also used to represent a body called the BBCA, British Bangladeshi.
Yes, I recognize you. Yes.
Also, my family background is restaurants. Oldest restaurant is in Harrow in 49 years. I just want to take this opportunity to congratulate Asif Ahmida for organising the second prestigious Prestige Curry Award. I mean, it's important to give recognition. We have hard-working chefs, managers, thriving businesses, and I think our restaurants nowadays have changed so much. They're no longer curry houses. Our chefs are good enough to be Michelin star chefs. So when
পরিচয় দেওয়ার কিছু নাই 30 years award show start করছিল 30 years back but yes every weekend মানে every end of the year on award show but আপনি only person যে স্টার্ট করছিল শেফের রেকগনাইজেশন যেটা আমরা টমি বাইরে যেটা জানি যে শেফ হলগুলো তার দীর্ঘদিন ধরে কাম করা বাট অবভিয়াসলি রিসেন্টলি আপনিও একটা শেফ কম্পিটিশন করছেন আমরা আসলাম সো আমি আজকে অ্যাওয়ার্ড নাই শেফ লইয়া মাত্র যে আপনার হাউ ইম্পর্টেন্ট দিস ডেজ লাইক ওল্ড স্কুল শেফ আর নিউ শেফ যারা এরা কতখান কিলা খাস করা আপনি আইনো যে ওয়ার্ল্ডের বিভিন্ন জায়গাতে আপনি যারা আমরা শেফ হলের ডেভেলপমেন্ট করা লাগে ও বিষয়ে কিছু কইবানি আপনি
অবভিয়াসলি আমি করে দিলেই তো আমরা যদি ফর ফাদার যদি তারা যে আমরা বাচ্চা যে নেই তারা এই রেস্টুরেন্ট করতে তারা করাই না আমরা আছি এখন আমরার পরে আমরা নেক্সট জেনারেশন তো মেইন যেটা হইলো যে এই যে রোড শো বা এলাকান যে ওয়ার্ড হল ইজ ইম্পর্টেন্ট ঠিক আছে আমি শুরু করছি আদার্স ফলো বাট থিং ইজ দ্যাট এরা এই ইন্ডাস্ট্রি বাঁচাইতে হইলে এলাকা ওয়ার্ড করার দরকার মানুষকে রেকগনাইজ করা কিন্তু আমার ভাই লুটন থেকে হস্টরি আইছেন তাই নো আসলে এটা দিচ্ছেন তো ইটস ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট আর আমি আমার সাজেশন যেটাই পাওয়া যে আমরা টাইমের লগে আমরা মুভ করি যে রেস্টুরেন্ট হোক স্ট্রিট ফুড হোক আগে তো স্ট্রিট ফুডও আসিল না এখন আইছে তো আমরা যদি টাইমের লগে মুভ করি ব্যবসা আমরা করতে পারবো আর যদি
কুইকলি আমি
বাইরে
রেস্টুরেন্টের অবভিয়াসলি ওল্ড স্কুল মেনু যেটা আছে এগুলো থেকে আমরা নিউ কিতা ইনভেন্ট করতাম মানে কোনটা বেটার এট দ্য মোমেন্ট জেনারেশন চেঞ্জ হয়েছে কাস্টমার চেঞ্জ হয়েছে আপনারা কিতা করা এটা লাগে
এটা ব্যাপারে আমরা চিন্তা ভাবনা অতটুকু করলাম যেন আগে যেন গতানুগতিক বড় মেনু আছিল এবং খারি যেন পরিসর বড় আছিল এ ধরনের পরিসর না করিয়া মোটামুটি একটা সিঙ্গুল একটা সাইজ আনিয়া মেনুর মধ্যে আনিয়া এবং খারির সংখ্যা কমাইয়া এগুলা কীভাবে ডেভেলপ করিয়া কাস্টমারের মধ্যে কিংবা আকর্ষণীয় করে তোলা যায় ওটা আমরা চিন্তা ভাবনা করার দরকার এবং এই খারি শিল্পের মধ্যে এখন হুমকির মধ্যে বিশেষ করে বাংলাদেশের রেস্টুরেন্ট ইন্ডিয়ান রেস্টুরেন্ট হুমকির মুখে কাজে এগুলো বাঁচাইতে হইলে আমাদের হাজার হাজার স্টাফ কর্মরত আছেন এই স্টাফগুলারে চাকরি দিতে গেলে গিয়ে আমরা রেস্টুরেন্ট বাঁচাইতে হইব রেস্টুরেন্ট বাঁচাইতে গেলে কীভাবে রেস্টুরেন্ট উন্নতি সাধন করা যায় এটা আমরা দিনে দিনে আমরা যাতে রেস্টুরেন্টের মালিক ওনার যারা আছেন তারা চিন্তা ভাবনা করার দরকার
From South Wales in Ammanford.
Right, so can you little bit introduce yourself and your business?
Rifra Hussain, I'm from Wales. Single mom, 2 kids, full-time business.
Wow. So are you the chef there? Are you
No, just the restaurant owner. So I got a full team, chefs, 60
So you obviously have a talented team around you.
Yeah, very talented team.
That proves you have a very talented team
Yeah.
around you. Without that, you won't get this recognition. Would you?
Yeah, no, definitely not.
Thank you for having us. Actually, I disagree with the statement that such events don't help our industry. I think it does because it highlights the positive things about our industry and it gives you energy to do better. And I think it motivates people and sets goals and higher standards. I think that's a positive. So I always commend anyone who's taken a step forward in order to celebrate the success of our industry and also highlighting our industry.
Quickly ask you something, brother. Yes, the industry developing, but if you look at the menu-wise, the menu is still old school menu. So in the meantime, when you developing our career and the business, are we also developing our menu as well? What is your opinion about this? How important is that?
basically when you do a restaurant you have to have passion to do it. You have to have that discipline to do it and you have to do it right. The menu has to be right and obviously you need a good chef and if you do it properly the business is there.
Chef-wise, myself, what is your opinion? How are we going to develop more chefs? Because chef shortage in the industry, and people like complaining, "Oh, no chefs, no this, So we are not recruiting new dishes. So street food is booming at the moment, and we are still selling the old school food. What is your opinion about this?
Indian food is one of the foods of the world that has the most diverse spices, flavors, and recipes in the whole of the world. What we need to do now is invest in teaching young chefs to come forward and learn about all of these different culinary ways of cooking and make the
food booming.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
It's a trend.
Now.
Trends die out. Our cuisine has not died out.
No.
We should continue and not break what's not broken. You know, why try and mend something that's not broken? A lot of people still want traditional Indian Bangladeshi food. They come for real cuisine. If you go to all these new, I don't want to mention any names, but fusion and street food, it's when you go and eat there, you come back, you're not satisfied. Yeah.
Can I just bring you here so we can talk?
David,
I'm just looking at you.
From Square Mile Insurance.
Right, okay.
He insures majority of our Indian restaurants. So he's one of the guys who really knows all the restaurateurs.
Right, fantastic. So obviously you know the game very well. You know how business suffering previously and now, and you've seen the different, especially our show, how helping the industry. So as an insurance owners, as a businessman, what is your opinion about the food wise?
Well, the industry has evolved a little bit. As Sam just now said, we need to keep the grounded food into the restaurants.
Yeah.
At the same time, you do need to bring these fads in, but they are fads that come in and will go out again. And obviously, a wholesale, the fusions, you have to have some mix, otherwise you're not going to get the people back in. Wholesale, you need to go back to definitely the good original restaurant owners and restaurant chefs are cooking the traditional food in the traditional way, and that's what the Goras like.
Yeah.
If you like to say that. Yeah, exactly. We like that. And as far as the industry is concerned, the industry is taking some hard hits, and I think the industry and things like this, the awards that give people something to look forward to, is going in the right direction going forward. People are coming back up, and we see those trends. We see people coming out of the business, and we see people coming back into the business, and it's coming back up and up and up. The thing that you've got to do is price it right. You need to be up there with the Italians and the French and everyone else.
That's right, yeah.
Premiums, the prices for the menu should be up there, a little bit higher.
I think if you can charge right, you can also up the bar.
Of course.
You know, if you don't
quality food and everything else.
If you don't have the margins, there's no way you're going to be able to serve the quality.
You have to go for quality, not for quantity.
Prestige Curry Award founder Asif Iqbal and sister Batizi.
Famila Iqbal,
actually I call her she's Batizi, Mrs. Iqbal. Glad to see you guys, and thank you very much for inviting us in here. Just quickly, just tell me about this is your third.
This is our second event here.
This is second event here. So if you just tell me how so far, how are you feeling, so guys, so far, like, you know, I can see the success.
Alhamdulillah, we've had a good. Inshallah, we will do bigger and better next year. So every year we're going to grow.
Every year. And how about yourself?
Assalamu alaikum. So basically, the purpose of Prestige Curry Awards is usually to find restaurants, entrepreneurs, and young individuals
to recognize the future generation.
Give us a recognition for the hard work.
Thank you for very much for coming.
Thank you for the invite. The event was absolutely splendid. We really enjoyed it. The food was phenomenal.
The food is fantastic.
The food was phenomenal. Pride Asia have done themselves proud.
Pride of Asia.
Pride of Asia have done themselves proud, and obviously I can't stop praising the food.
And again, I'm going to the CEO of Pride of Asia, Shalim Bhai. I'm going to thank him again, and inshallah we see you next year.